Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to physics class. Today, I would like to present mainly two topics. First one, thrust and pressure, and second one, numerical. Do you know what is thrust and pressure? Have any relation between them? What is its importance to study or significance in our daily life situations? Today, I am going to discuss on this part. Perhaps you may know that the base of high buildings is made wider. School bags are provided with broad straps. The blades of knives are made sharp. Animals like camels can walk easily in desert, and truck or a motor bus has much wider tires. However, you think about the reasons of these tall things? Today class will help you to find the reasons of the given things. Suppose you want to fix a poster on a bulletin board. To do this task, you will have to press drawing pins with your thumb. You apply a force on the surface area of the head of the pin. This force is directed normally to the surface area of the board. This force acts on a smaller area at the tip of the pin. Here, the applied force is perpendicular to the surface of the board. Surface of the board is vertical and thrust applied is horizontal. This force is called thrust. It can be seen that the bulletin board is vertically placed. You apply the force in perpendicular direction by pressing the pin to it. I ask you the question again. What is thrust? Thrust is the force applied on a surface in a direction perpendicular to the contact surface. Its SI unit is Newton. Next, you are going to think about pressure. What is pressure? If you push hard on a piece of wood with your thumb, the thumb does not go into the wood. But if you push a drawing pin into the wood with the same force of your thumb, the drawing pin goes into the wood. What is its reason? Your thumb does not go into the wood because the force of thumb is falling on a large area of the wood, due to which the effect of force on the wood is small. Whereas in the case of drawing pin, the area of pin falling on the wood is small. Therefore, the effect of force is more and pin goes into the wood. Here, you understand that the effects of two forces of equal magnitudes are different on these two different areas of the contact surfaces. It means that pressures experienced by these two contact surfaces are different. The effect of force is pressure. From these activities, it can be defined as pressure is the force acting on unit area of the object. Mathematically, it is equal to the ratio of force applied to the area of contact. Pressure is represented by P. P is equal to force divided by area, which is equal to F by A. It is easier to walk on soft sand if you have flat shoes rather than shoes with sharp heels. What is the reason? The reason is the flat shoes allowed the weight of the walker's body to act on a large surface of the soft sand, reducing the pressure exerted on the land by the walker. So, his or her shoes does not penetrate in the sand, which makes him or her to walk easily, because pressure is inversely proportional to the contact area. A simple example of pressure may be seen by holding a knife to a piece of fruit. If you hold the flat part of the knife against the fruit, it won't cut the surface. Why? Because the force is spread out of a large area when it experiences low pressure. On the other hand, if you turn the blade and tries to cut the fruit with a normal edge, then the cutting edge is pressed into the fruit. The same force is applied over a much smaller surface area. So it has increased the pressure. Then the surface cuts easily. Are you able to write a short notes on thrust and pressure? Let me see how to write it. First, thrust. Thrust is the force that a body exerts perpendicularly on a surface. Its SI unit is Newton and it is numerically equal to the weight of the object. And second, pressure. It is the thrust acted on an unit area of surface. Its SI unit is Newton per meter square or Pascal. Mathematically, it is equal to the ratio of thrust or normal force to the contact surface area. It is clear that pressure depends on two factors. What are the two factors upon which pressure depends on? First one is force or thrust. More force means more pressure. And second one is area. More area means less pressure. And also, you understood that thrust is the normal force acted on contact surface. In our daily life, different values of pressure are encountered. The given slide shows examples of pressure in daily life. First example is school bags have wider straps. Second one is sharp knife cuts better than blunt knife. Third one is buildings have wider foundations. And fourth one is it is easier to walk on sand with flat shoes rather than shoes with sharp heels. Before you are going to answer the reasons, now you notice the two pictures given in the slide. In the first picture, pressure is more as the surface area is less than the surface area in second picture. In both the cases, thrust is same as the weight of the arm is same. The same force acting on a small area exerts a larger pressure and a smaller pressure on a larger area. This is the reason why a nail has a pointed tip, knives have sharp edges, and buildings have wide foundation. Can you answer the questions? First one is, what are the some applications of pressure in daily life? The three applications are given in the slide. 1. The base of high buildings is made wider. 2. School bags are provided with broad straps. And 3. The blades of knives are made sharp. Let me go through their explanation parts. First one, the base of high buildings is made wider. By doing so, it spreads the weight of the whole building over a large surface area, due to which less pressure acts on the ground. Second one is, school bags are provided with broad straps so that the weight of school bags fall over a larger area of the shoulder and produce less pressure, hence making it easy to carry. And third one is the blades of knives are made sharp because On applying force on it, a large pressure is produced on the very small surface area, thus cutting the object easily. Second question is, why is it easier for animals like camels to walk in desert? Answer is, camels can walk easily in the desert because of their wide feet. Their wide feet allow the weight of their body to act on a larger surface area of land, reducing the pressure exerted on the land by the camel. Pressure exerted and area are inversely proportional, so their feet do not penetrate in the sand, which make them to walk easily. And third question is, a truck or a motor bus has much wider tires. Why? Answer is, a truck or a motor bus has much wider tires so that their weight get distributed on a larger area, thus reducing pressure, which enables them to run on road smoothly by supporting heavy weights. See the numerical. How can it be solved? A block of wood is kept on a tabletop. The mass of wooden block is 5 kg and its dimensions are 40 cm into 20 cm into 10 cm. Find the pressure exerted by the wooden block on the tabletop if it is made to lie on the tabletop with its sides of dimensions A 20 cm into 10 cm and B 40 cm into 20 cm. Here the dimensions of the wooden block are given. They are 40 cm into 20 cm into 10 cm. That is length 40 cm, breadth 20 cm and height 10 cm. And also given the mass of the wooden block. It is equal to 5 kg. What should be the thrust acted on the tabletop? It is nothing but it is the weight of the wooden block. Weight W is equal to thrust is equal to F, which is equal to M into G, is equal to 5 kg into 9.8 meter per second square is equal to 49 Newton. Case 1. If it is made to lie on the tabletop with its side of dimensions 20 cm into 10 cm. Area of the side is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 20 cm into 10 cm, which is equal to 200 cm square, is equal to 0.02 meter square, since 1 centimeter square is equal to 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. Then pressure is equal to thrust per unit area is equal to 49 Newton divided by 0.02 meter square is equal to 2450 Newton per meter square. And case B. If it is made to lie on the tabletop with its side of dimensions 40 cm into 20 cm. Here area is equal to length into breadth is equal to 40 cm into 20 cm is equal to 800 cm square. When it converts into meter square is equal to 0.08 meter square. Then pressure is equal to thrust per area is equal to 49 Newton divided by 0.08 meter square, which is equal to 612.5 Newton per meter square. See the situation picturized in the given slide. Here, a boy asks himself, why does the mattress sink more when he is standing compared with when he is lying? He tries to find the solution. Can you help him? You think and find the solution. It is today's your assignment. Dear students, today's homework questions are given in this slide. Please, you have to work out these question answers by today itself. One important matter I want to say you, if anybody else didn't subscribe my video channel so far, don't forget to subscribe it to watch the required one conveniently in your time when you can minimize the practical difficulty to get it back. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.